I decided to go 7 days without spending a single unnecessary dollar. No takeout, no random Amazon orders, no coffee runs. Just needs, nothing else. Here's exactly what happened, what I learned, and whether I'd actually recommend it. Welcome to SavingMoney, where we make money make sense. Let's get into day 1. Days 1 and 2 felt easy. I already had groceries at home, so avoiding takeout wasn't hard. The real test came when a friend texted asking to grab coffee. I said no, which felt small, but it was the first real decision of the challenge. By day 3, I realized how many of my habits weren't really about need. They were about boredom. I almost ordered food twice just because I was tired of cooking, not because I was actually out of options. Day 4, my car needed gas, a real need, but I caught myself wanting to grab snacks at the same stop. Old habits die hard. Something changed around day 5. I stopped thinking about what I couldn't buy and started noticing how much I already had. I found things in my pantry I'd forgotten about. I reused stuff instead of replacing it. It wasn't about restriction anymore. It was about paying attention. By day 7, I added it up. I saved around $140 I would have normally spent on coffee, takeout, and random small purchases. But the bigger win wasn't the money. It was realizing how much of my spending was just autopilot, not actual need. 3 things stuck with me. 1. Most spending isn't planned, it's automatic. 2. Boredom spending is real and it's sneaky. 3. You don't need a full week to benefit. Even trying this for 2 or 3 days shows you exactly where your money quietly leaks out. Would I do it again? Honestly, yes. Maybe once a month just to reset. If you want to try it yourself, start with just 3 days and see what you notice. If this helped, hit subscribe. SavingMoney is all about making money make sense. Let me know in the comments. Could you go a week without unnecessary spending? See you next time.